why this moisturizer got so much attention. So which one would you like to try out? Ta-da! Oh my god.
Receipt.
So which one you would like to buy for yourself? Maybe paying more is not the answer? Hi Coco. Hi beauties, welcome back to HIKOCO's channel. We are lucky to be part of a huge beauty industry that gives us an array of skincare options. From affordable to very expensive luxurious, does it guarantee faster and better results for our skin? Well, in my opinion, sometimes price and luxurious packaging does not guarantee quick results for my skin. So in today's video, I would select some of the most hyped skincare products that I've seen a lot of people rave about and deem splurge worthy to see if I can find amazing K-beauty dupes. Let's get started. I have seen so many people talk about this moisturizer these days. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, 71 New Zealand dollars, 60ml. I have to say it's got the prettiest packaging, but what makes it so popular? It says oil-free moisturizer that delivers juicy hydration for a long-lasting lead within glow. The texture reminds me of more of emulsion like lotion. It's super light in weight and quite watery gel type that spreads so easily on my skin. And a little bit goes a long way with this moisturizer. This moisturizer actually has 90% watermelon extract. That's quite a high percentage of just one ingredient. Unfortunately, it has very overwhelming scent of artificial watermelon that may cause irritation, especially to the sensitive skin. When I think of the ingredient watermelon from K-beauty skincare product, Heimish Watermelon Soothing Gel Cream comes to my mind straight away. Heimish Watermelon Soothing Gel Cream, 38 New Zealand dollars, 110ml. This is a soothing gel cream that lightly moisturizes the skin with a cooling sensation and soothing effect. On top of this, it is a fragrance-free, paraben-free, and alcohol-free moisturizer. Boing boing, boing boing. Similar to the Glow Recipes moisturizer, this is another gel type of moisturizer. However, it has a slightly thicker consistency than the Glow Recipe. Don't get me wrong, but it still absorbs really fast into the skin, leaves my skin feeling hydrated longer than Glow Recipe's Watermelon Moisturizer. It leaves slight film to my skin, but after a few seconds, it just gives a refreshing feeling with no residue. This gel cream contains 10% of watermelon extract. With Glow Recipe's 90% watermelon extract, it seems like it has a huge difference, but in this Heimish gel cream, you'll actually find a ton more ingredients that are more targeted towards dry, sensitive skin, such as sodium hydrogenate, which is hyaluronic acid, glycerin, oatmeal extract, vitamin E. These ingredients help to keep skin super moisturized and help increase skin elasticity to ensure skin stays soft. Aloe leaf extract or aloe flower extract. These kind of aloe ingredients are amazing at cooling down heated skin. I love how this Heimish moisturizer does not contain any artificial fragrance. So can K-beauty dupe Glow Recipe moisturizer? I would say yes. Why not? The Glow Recipe is spread lightly on the skin, which makes it perfect under the makeup or as a morning moisturizer. But I found that the Heimish Watermelon Cream helps more to soothe redness and aid in wound healing. And of course, it's rich in hydrations, so it's perfect for someone who has got the dry, sensitive skin or even for the acne-prone skin. And next, K-beauty dupes number 2. I am going to introduce a luxurious sunscreen from Lancome. Lancome UV Expert Youth Shield Milky Bright SPF 50 PA++++, and it's 134 New Zealand dollars, 50ml. It is a must-have sunscreen and a top pick, especially in Korea for mature skin. My mom used to say that the expensive high-end brand sunscreen never let her down. So I wanted to find the K-beauty dupes for this Lancome sunscreen. Let's see. Oh, I think the best part about the Lancome sunscreen is of course the texture. Very milky as it named and leaving a slight sheen finish on the skin. You might think with such a thin, airy texture, it is a chemical filtered sunscreen, but believe it or not, the Milky Bright SPF is a hybrid sunscreen, meaning it has both physical filters and chemical filters. Of course, it has a scent, like a lot of Lancome skincares do. So if you're looking for a more inexpensive alternative, I found a kbeauty hybrid sunscreens at HIKOCO, which is the Purito Go-To Sunscreen SPF 50 plus PA+++++, and it's 38 New Zealand dollars, and it comes with 50 mils. So Purito Go-To Sunscreen is another hybrid sunscreens that utilize both physical and chemical filters. So you get the benefits of the lightweight finish, non-greasy texture of the chemical sunscreens. You also get the sensitive skin-friendly aspect of the physical sunscreen. Let's take a look at the texture. This is another sunscreen that is a light in texture and a very quick to absorb. It even has a little bit of the cooling effect on the skin, which gives it refreshing feeling as it leaves a sheen finish too, much like the Lancome sunscreen. Because of the hybrid formulated sunscreen, you won't see a white cast at all. Let's take a look at the formula. Firstly, it is super gentle on the skin, being paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, silicone-free, and essential oil-free, and moreover, it's a vegan-friendly sunscreen. You will also find much more skin-benefiting ingredients in the Purito sunscreen, the main one being Centella asiatica extract. There is actually a few different forms of this to give you as much of a soothing effect as possible, and of course with a strong UV protection. In scent, you won't find any fragrance in this sunscreen, so can kbeauty dupe Lancome sunscreen? Although we cannot say enough good thing about how comfortable and light the Lancome sunscreen texture is, the ingredient used may irritate the skin, especially if you have a sensitive skin. So if you are looking for one with the same lightweight feel, but with the mildest ingredient and with more skin benefiting ingredient, the Purito Go-To Sunscreen is the one to try out. So it can be a great sunscreen option for a lot of different skin types, from dry to oily, even for sensitive skin. Now we should talk about another hyped up moisturizer. It is Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator, 84 New Zealand dollars, 50 ml. This moisturizer claims that it leaves the skin staying hydrated for 100 hours. Wow! Let's see how good this moisturizer is. It's another jelly type of cream. Oh. The texture is a gel type. It is quickly absorbs right into my skin, and surprisingly, it still leaves my skin so hydrated. And it does leave a film to seal all the hydration into the skin, but after a few seconds, I think this one also goes away. There's quite a few key ingredients that make this gel cream super hydrating. First up, it's Intense Hydrator. And another ingredient that we're talking about, aloe bioferment. Aloe is great for hydrations and soothing, but because it's been fermented, it means the aloe extract has been broken down into the smaller molecules. This is better for the ingredient to absorb deeper into the skin, offering hydrations and soothing effects to the skin, more effectively. So these ingredients is the reason why this cream instantly plumps your skin up and gives you suppleness as well as replenishing skin's health. Surprisingly, this cream is fragrance-free. Wow! So now, let's see if we can find a kbeauty dupe for this Clinique moisturizer. Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Gel Cream, $29, 100 ml. This is one of the Isntree's clean beauty, cruelty-free and vegan beauty skincare product. So it's perfect even for the sensitive skin. Let's have a look. Oh, so cooling. The name gel cream gives away the texture, right? So this is a gel type of cream, but it's not too light like other gel type of moisturizer. As soon as you apply, it gives instant cooling effect, spreads so easily on the skin and absorbs right into the skin, giving it a refreshing feeling. So now let's talk about the key ingredients that makes this cream hydrated. As you can see on the packaging, it says 5 types of hyaluronic acid. Yes, it has 5 different sizes of hyaluronic acid. Its small hyaluronic acid molecules are able to penetrate deeper into the skin for it to feel soft and supple too. And don't worry, the hydrated skin won't be going anywhere. So these ingredients are able to create a moisture barrier to ensure hydration does not escape, which means it locks everything into your skin. You will also find more soothing properties like the Clinique's moisturizer. This cream does not have like any artificial fragrance and there is no scent to it. So can kbeauty dupe Clinique Moisturizer Surge Hydrator? Yes, why not? Although the ingredients aren't totally the same, the Isntree cream has a lot of ingredients that ensure your skin stays hydrated as long as the Clinique moisturizer offers. This moisturizer claims that it leaves the skin staying hydrated for 100 hours. They said it's so light that you can use it under or over makeup or even as a 5-minute mask. For dehydrated skin types, the Isntree gel cream is perfect to replenish moisture and the skin's strengthening ingredient. A light yet hydrating cream that reminds me of the Clinique moisturizer, which is actually one of my favorite moisturizer. So if you're looking for replacement or some other stuff that you want to try apart from the Clinique, this is a perfect option to try. There is definitely a serum that I constantly see everywhere. Drunken Elephant B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. It's 89 New Zealand dollars and it comes with 50 ml. What a cool packaging. At first, I was surprised to see that this serum has a thick gel-like texture. Spreads super easily on the skin, so little bit goes a long way. It absorbs quickly, leaving a slightly tackiness that goes away fast too. Now the most interesting thing to me about this serum was the ingredient. I was expecting this serum to be full of hyaluronic acid, but it combines Panthenol, which is like provitamin B5, and ceramide, in addition to a form of hyaluronic acid. Panthenol is actually both a humectant and emollient. This means it hydrates and moisturizes the skin. So if you want to learn more about the ingredient Panthenol, please click the link above. So the combination of Panthenol, ceramide, and hyaluronic acid that decrease the look of dullness, fine lines, and crucial to the functioning and stronger skin barrier. There is no fragrance. Being 100% free of essential oils, silicones, and fragrance, this one would be perfect for sensitive skin. It named itself as a serum, but it comes with quite thick consistency like a moisturizer. So I think it would be really great to compare with the light cream that we have in HIKOCO that offers the same level of hydrations and benefits, which is Etude Sunjung 5 Panthenol Cica Balm. $34, it comes with 40 ml. Oh, you might think that because this is a balm, it has a super thick texture, but it is actually a lightweight gel type that easily glides on the skin. When you put it on at first, you might feel that the Etude Cica Balm is slightly thicker consistency than the Drunken Elephant serum. Once you blend it, you can see that it's absorbed super easily, leaving a nice glow. Let's take a look at the formula. You will find a rich amount of hydrating and moisturizing ingredients. Of course, the ingredient that offers both Panthenol, squalene, that provides intense moisture too. And the addition of soothing ingredients, it effectively protects and repairs and maintains a healthy skin barrier. The ingredients seem quite minimal for the Sunjung Balm, but these shows up very high in the ingredient list. Being made specifically for sensitive skin, this Etude Sunjung line is made with no fragrance and is scent-free. So can kbeauty dupe Drunken Elephant? To be honest, the Drunken Elephant is a pricey, luxurious brand, so it's definitely a treat for our skin. But that's not to say we can't find a more affordable alternative for our skin. I think the Etude Sunjung Balm offers similar ingredients and benefits at the fractions of the price. You get the moisture and hydrations that Drunken Elephant serum has, but additional skin calming ingredients too. With kbeauty's innovative technology, affordable, and a lot of options, I am confident that I can find a product that matches or is even better than the amount of benefits that these hyped up and more expensive skincare products give. Maybe paying more is not the answer. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty and let's save some money.